What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Coming at you with another car video for the Honda Civic. Now, we just finished off with the blow-off valve, but another part came in, and this is a catch can. Now, it's not the Mishimoto catch can, but it is an exact replica of it. It'll mount exactly how the Mishimoto one does, and it comes with all the 90-degree hoses, etc., so forth, the regular hose, the 90-degree hose, gear clamps. You can add a drain plug on the bottom if you so desire, and we will be installing this. Sorry again for the noise, very busy street, but basically what we're going to be working on is this fuel line and this bracket. We're going to have to loosen these two clip bolts here, 10 millimeters. Take the hose out of this clip and release the fuel line from this black clip as well. When we're done there, I'll show you what it looks like. Now that the bolts are out of place, I just loosened this one, swung it down. This clip was a little bit harder to get. I put a flathead in here and just kind of turned it until it released, and this came out. It's hung up here right now. Now you gotta get these two bolts out right here, because your bracket will actually mount behind the fuel line bracket. Now that it's all back in place and installed, we have to disconnect the hose. So the PCV hose is right here and right there. So you just take your pliers, maybe a screwdriver, take the clamp off, pull the hose out, and then we reinstall the new hoses. Now, the L-shaped hose will go from here to right there, and the longer hose from there to there. So out, which is this side, will come to this one. In goes to that port. Okay, everybody, this is the final product of the catch can. So out, the L-shaped pipe goes down to that port, and in, the long pipe goes to that port. If you're wondering, because I know I don't like flathead screwdrivers, so I used a 932 socket to tighten these. It's all tight, it's all good to go. And yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. We'll probably be doing the cold air intake next from 27.1. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.